My name is Rekha Sandhu, and I'm working in AG office, that is Accountant General office, and it comes under Office of the Controller and Auditor General of India, and I'm currently posted in Rajasthan, Jaipur. I'm working as a Deputy Accountant General. I got promoted as INS officer, inducted in Indian Audit and Account Services in 2023. And after that I was posted in Jaipur. So currently I am looking into audit of some departments like school education, technical education, higher education, then it's labor, skill and employment, elections. To be very frank, I don't know, public policy was attracting me from some time. I will say from around 2-3 years. I was getting in my head that public policy पे कुछ करना है, कुछ देखते हैं, and I was searching on net also, and every time I searched, it was like ISPP appeared. So it was in my mind क्या देखते हैं. बहुत बार मैंने इनफैक्ट मैंने एनरोल भी करने के लिए कोशिश की, बट देन आई थॉट कि पता नहीं अभी कर पाऊंगी नहीं कर पाऊंगी. इन माय दिस वर्क फ्रंट ऑल्सो actually we do a lot of audits like performance audits. Generally we do compliance audits, that is government जो rules regulations जो बनाए हैं, whether the state government departments while executing their work they are following those rules and regulations or not. That is like compliance audit. But in addition to that, we are also conducting performance audits also, and performance audits of maybe the schemes that are executed by the central government and the state government. So while doing the performance audits, we come along, mainly ये scheme ही होता है, तो scheme में this is the hierarchy. भी scheme में main features क्या है उसके, फिर उसकी उसका how the expenditure is being made, how it is being monitored and evaluated. So while conducting the audits, I felt that somewhere I am some lack of knowledge is there on my part. So it's better if I take that knowledge. And currently I am we are doing two that is called subject specific compliance audits. We are doing for MDM, that is Mid Day Meal, and Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. So I think I thought this is the right opportunity. I should get into this course and get the feel of it, that actually what goes into making of the policy. So I enrolled for this. So after coming to this, I felt that monitoring and evaluation is a very important part of the scheme. That we are, while being in the government audit, we are just ignoring it a little bit, actually speaking. We are not paying much attention to that. I don't know whether even I'll also be able to do that or not, because there are some constraints, because our department also gives us some guidelines how to go about the things. So even if I want to concentrate on monitoring and evaluation, maybe they will not allow me to do that. Shreyas Narla. Oh my God, that was a wonderful lecture what he delivered. The kind of connection that he made in the overlapping of the powers of the judiciary and executive and the legislature. We do come about that, but the way, the extent to which he correlated these things, it was an eye-opener for me, actually speaking, and I thought that maybe I'll just read more about it. Secondly, I'll say that Karan was so good. I just loved his the way he presented the things, and his pace was so nice. He never rushed in completing the things, and the thing that he was telling was actually whatever the policy making, I think that is the most important part of the policy, with the behavioral change. I was really astonished that so many people from so diverse backgrounds, like health, and even that girl Chanika from software, someone is getting interested in that. I really appreciated their outlook, that how broad they are in their thinking, and even ready to jump into something very new for them. पब्लिक पॉलिसी हमें लगता है कि शायद कुछ किसी को अफेक्ट नहीं करती, बट अगर सोचने बैठो तो पब्लिक पॉलिसी इज अफेक्टिंग ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ, in every way. So I think they should be made with a lot of thought